Switching from Jobber to Housecall Pro can take less than 1 day if your customer list, jobs and invoices are organized before you start. The biggest delay usually isn't the software. It's bad data. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to move your business over without losing customers, appointments, or payment history. First, the short answer. Yes, you can switch, and the cleanest way is to migrate your core data first, then rebuild your automation second. Start with your customer data. Inside Jobber, export your client list as a CSV file. That file usually includes names, phone numbers, emails, service addresses, and notes. Save that first. Then export any active quotes, open invoices, and recurring jobs separately. This matters because Housecall Pro imports customer records, but your workflows still need to be rebuilt manually. Next step, clean your data. Open the CSV file and remove duplicate clients. Fix missing phone numbers. Check email formatting. If you import messy data, your reminders and invoice emails can fail later. That's where most people create problems without realizing it. Now move into Housecall Pro. Go to the Customer Imports section and upload your CSV. Match the fields carefully. Name goes to name. Address goes to address. Phone goes to phone. Sounds obvious, but one wrong column can scramble hundreds of records. After the import finishes, verify at least 10 random customer profiles. Check contact info, job history, and notes. If that looks right, move to your services. Rebuild your service catalog inside Housecall Pro. Add your common jobs, pricing, and labor descriptions. This makes quoting faster later. Then rebuild your automations. If Jobber was sending appointment reminders, invoice reminders, or follow-up emails, set those up again in Housecall Pro. These don't transfer automatically. After that, connect payments. Set up your payment processor, test a small invoice, and send it to yourself first. Make sure links work and funds process correctly. Last step, run both systems for 3 to 7 days. Keep Jobber active while Housecall Pro handles new bookings. This gives you a safety window in case something was missed. Here's the simple breakdown. Export your data from Jobber first. Import customers into Housecall Pro second. Rebuild automations and payment settings third. Your next move is simple. Migrate your customer list today before touching live jobs. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe. More Jobber and Housecall Pro fixes are coming.